Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and download WhatsApp on Windows 10 computer or laptop. So before going further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start now. So friend, to install WhatsApp on Windows 10 computer, what we need to do, we need to just simply click on left bottom corner here on the search bar. We need to type here Microsoft Store. Okay, we need to open the Microsoft Store from here. As soon as Microsoft Store will open, we need to search here on the search bar what's okay, it will search the WhatsApp for us. We need to just simply click on WhatsApp for desktop, and then it will give us the option that says get. We need to click on get. Now it's trying to download the WhatsApp. So friend, now WhatsApp has been installed on my computer. It's giving me the option that says open. We can just simply click on open. Okay, so now you can see the WhatsApp is open on my computer. Now I can close the Microsoft Store. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can use the WhatsApp on the computer. Okay, so it's showing us the barcode here. Okay, we need to just simply scan it from our WhatsApp. Like, let me scan it from my computer. Okay, I just scan it from my cell phone. Okay, so now you can see it's trying to open my WhatsApp on my computer. So friend, now you can see my WhatsApp is open on my computer. Okay, so let me close it. Okay, so anytime you want to open the WhatsApp on the computer, now how you can access it? Simply on the search bar type here WhatsApp. You will see here the app, WhatsApp app. Just simply click on it. It will open the WhatsApp for you. Okay, and the same way what you can do, you can pin it to the taskbar. The same way what you can do, you can type here WhatsApp, and here you will get the option that say pin to taskbar. Okay, simply click on it, and it will take it WhatsApp to your taskbar. So from here you can access anytime. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.